How to day trade on Thinkorswim. Here's a simple step-by-step breakdown of how to start day trading on Thinkorswim. First of all, open and fund a TD Ameritrade account. Sign up at tdameritrade.com. Fund your account with at least $25,000 to avoid pattern day trading. PDT restrictions if you're using a margin account. After that, launch the Thinkorswim platform. Download Thinkorswim for desktop. Most powerful version. Log in and switch to live trading if you're funded, or use paper money to practice. Then, set up your layout. Use the Charts tab to view real-time price action. Add studies like VWAP, MACD, RSI, or moving averages. Use Level 2 quotes and Active Trader to place quick orders. Customize hotkeys and grid views for multiple stocks. Now, scan for trade setups. Use the Scan tab to find volatile stocks with volume, price movement, or gap ups. Filter by price, percent change, volume, etc. Save and run scans daily. Then, place your day trades. Go to the Active Trader panel. Set quantity, stop loss, and profit target. Use market, limit, or bracket orders for fast entry exit. Watch Level 2 data for timing and liquidity. Finally, monitor and manage your risk. Use bracket orders. Auto stop loss plus take profit. Set maximum loss per day to protect capital. Avoid overtrading or revenge trading.